Okay guys, I'm going to tell you or show you how to apply to Peralta College. First, you're going to go to alameda.edu. So that's ALAMEDA.edu. This will take you to the home page. And all you need to do is click on Apply Now. This takes you to the CCC Applies page for Alameda. So CCC Apply is California Community Colleges. You are going to scroll down and click on Create an Account. If you've done it before, you're going to sign in. I've done it before, so I'm going to sign in. Plenty of you will probably end up with a security check. It's very random who they ask. So you'll click to verify. Slide the puzzle piece into the puzzle. And then you'll wait for it to reload. Then, if you've already done this before, in the past, and you need to reapply, you will click on Complete Your Application. Then, you're going to say, Complete Your Application. And then, of course, here's another additional security check. I am not a robot. Palm tree, palm tree, palm tree. So now, as you can see, the last time I applied was May 26, 2022. Okay? So, you will be picking on Start a New Application. This will be Fall. This will be Undecided, which is at the bottom. And this will be Undeclared, which is scroll down to the bottom. Then you'll click Continue. You will not get this error. I got this error because I already have an application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trash this one. Go back. Do this again. So Fall, Undecided, Undeclared. Continue. You will say no for this one. Social Security number, no. Parent guardian information. If you have a parent or guardian, click here and enter their name. And their relationship to you. Current mailing address, you're going to click the first box. And then continue. Next, this will say enrolling in high school or lower grade in college at the same time. For high school education, it's already filled out, so you do not need to do anything. For current or most recent high school attended, you will say I attended high school. Then you're going to select the state, California, and then you can enter the name of the school, which is Lionel Wilson. As you see, I started typing in Lionel, and now Aspire Lionel Wilson has popped up right here. And it fills in the rest of the information. For high school transcript information, if you are a 12th grader, the highest grade you completed would be 11th grade. If you are an 11th grader currently, the highest grade you completed was 10th grade. If you don't know your GPA, that is fine. If you know that your GPA was 2 point something, put 2.0. If you know that your GPA was 3 point something, put 3.0. For this section, you're going to say none of the above or don't know, and none of the above or don't know for the second question about the math. So for English, none of the above, don't know. For math, none of the above and don't know. For college education, you're going to say no degree. And then you're going to click continue because this is already filled out. So now they're going to ask you about your citizenship. You are going to select your status. And then you're going to select if you are either a dependent of somebody in the military, most of you are going to say none apply to me. Continue. For California residents, you're going to say yes. You are going to skip out-of-state activities. For special residency categories, you're going to say no for the first question and no for the second one. Then you'll click continue. For your main language, are you comfortable reading and writing English? Majority of you will say yes. Financial assistance, you will say no for both. For athletic interests, you will also say no. For programs and services, you can look at all the programs that they have to offer, and if you want to know more about it, click on it. If not, scroll all the way down to continue. Now they're going to ask for your gender. What do you identify as? Some of you will put whatever you want to put. For parent, guardian, education levels, I just say unknown for both. For race or ethnicity, if you are Hispanic, you're going to say yes. And then you're going to click the one that best describes you. If you're Mexican, you'll click Mexican. Then you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll click continue. Now we're on the last step. You're going to click I consent under the request for consent. Then where it says submit your application, there will be 2 check boxes. Check the first one, then check the second one, then click submit my application. Thank you for watching.